Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to the Govee Home app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Govee Floor Lamp and are wondering how to connect it to the Govee Home app. Well, there's a few steps that we need to take. First thing that you want to do is go into the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that you have the Govee Home app installed. It looks like this right here. After you have it installed, make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and make sure that your Bluetooth is also on. So once you have your Wi-Fi connected and your Bluetooth turned on, go into the Govee Home app, and at this point, make sure that your floor lamp is turned on. When you first initially turn it on, it should automatically show like different rainbow color and then stay a solid color. Next, click on the plus icon on the upper right hand corner, and it should automatically scan for nearby devices. Look for your Govee Floor Lamp Pro, which looks like this right here. Click on Add, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts. So it's going to ask for a device name. So I normally like to name my floor lamps based on its location. So let's say floor lamp bedroom, then click on Done. Then it's automatically going to input the Wi-Fi information that you're connected to on your phone. So again, it should be a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Click on Done. And then after a couple of seconds, you should see a notification that says your Wi-Fi has been successfully connected. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee Floor Lamp Pro to the Govee Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video,